In this video I show you a great low cap crypto project with amazing potential. Today we are talking about the coin Altura. Altura is on place 593 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $38 million. Altura is a platform for building and scaling Web3 games. It already has a very clean dashboard and we have some very interesting smart NFTs with no gas fees. So I think this has a lot of potential for the gaming niche. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that the price is increasing. The market cap is also consistent since 1 year and the circulating supply is very high in comparison to the total supply, which is a really good sign, especially for smaller coins. And we also have some bigger exchanges that listed Altura, for example BingX, Maxi. But when Altura get listed on even bigger exchanges, then the potential to the upside is even higher. And from the market cap wise, we have a very high potential to the upside. We are now at $38 million market cap. And if we have a look at the top 100 cryptocurrencies, the market cap is $623 million. So just from the prices right now, this would be in potential 15 or 20x. And if the bull run really starts, the chance that we can see even higher market caps is very high. And from the technicals, we are clearly in a bullish trend with higher lows and higher highs all the way. So if we are just reaching the top 100 of the cryptocurrencies from the market cap, we would have a potential of 87 cents. And I think that a price target of $2 to $3 is very realistic for the next bull run. So a potential of nearly 4,500% to 6,000% would be very realistic for the next bull run. Of course, this is just the orientation, guys. And for this much money has to flow into the crypto market. But right now we are seeing this bullish trend on the total crypto market cap. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we can see higher market caps and also broke this last market cap high is very high. And I think Altura has a great potential. And again, if we get some bigger exchange listings and more money comes into Alu, then the chance is high that we can see an explosion for this coin, especially when the bull run is peaking. So guys, I wanted to share this great low cap crypto project with you. If you want me to make more videos like this, then write it down in the comments and leave a like. I also made a project on a 30x potential hidden gem with also very nice potential. And if you want to see this video, then check this video out in the credits. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.